What's going on, everyone? Did you know that StarCraft started making a fiberglass exterior, Autumn Ridge? This thing is sweet. It's their iconic 19BH, under 3,500 pounds, and instead of the aluminum sidewalls, we've got this beautiful fiberglass. Let's check out this video and let me know what you think. Here is the all-new Autumn Ridge 19BH with the fiberglass exterior. Let's walk around this camper and start right up front. Here's a 2 5/16 ball with the safety chains, the breakaway brake. Comes with a manual jack. We can always upgrade that to a power tongue jack. 20-pound propane tank with the L-shaped brackets for the battery, which I have the jump pack hooked up right now to show us what it looks like. Alright, then we're going over onto the driver's side. This is our portable water. When we're going off grid and we want to fill that water tank up, use our water pump. Down below is our low point drain. This camper carries 20 gallons of black and gray and 26 gallons of fresh water. StarCraft is also offering 200 watts of solar now, which they have right up on top of their roof. Now let's go into the back of the camper, showing these beautiful aftermarket wheels, into the 30 amp power cord, down below with a dumping station. Gray is okay, black is for crap, gray is for drains, black is for the toilet. Then we have our hot and cold water drain right there, and our rear stabilizer jacks. Now we're going into our coaxial port for cable or Wi-Fi, and into our water heater, 6-gallon water heater. Oh, come on, gotta love the tab. Bam. Alright, then into the back, we'll have our city water connection. This is when we have pressurized water from a campground. All these tires do have the greens valve stem, which shows there's nitrogen inside. We have the backup camera mount on here, and we also have the ladder rack mount on here. Caps come off on the corners. On here we have this beautiful electric awning. This is a 13-foot electric awning with the LED light strip underneath. All StarCrafts come with that beautiful 3-year warranty. Speakers, hood mount. Open up that hood vent to exhaust the fumes on the inside. Right there is the 120 power and the furnace exhaust. This camper does come with a dual solid step for entry and the little outside storage with light. And it has a magnetic hold on it as well. 4 corner lights to turn on with their running lights. Now let's go on to the interior and check out what that has to offer. As soon as we walk onto the inside, we're going to notice queen size bed up front with the storage, nice long drawer, 120 power, our wardrobe with a little shelf underneath, the cabinetry over top with this beautiful nice white interior that's brand new for 2024. Into the corner where we're prepped for TV and cable. We'll see that this bed does have that nice curtain for privacy. Underbed storage. Alright, now we're going into our solar controller right here. And our window over the bed. Now into our nice dinette area. This is a nice large dinette. Look at that beautiful floor plan. That dinette does pop down into a bed, which I'll show you here in a sec. Now we're going into the cabinets over the dinette. This is a nice pass-through cabinet area, so all that is center storage in there. Low profile air conditioner, so we're not hitting our heads when we're walking around. Nice open bunk with the USB charger and the little mesh pocket for the phones. Both bunks have lights as well. Here is the auto detect converter down here with the lead acid, lithium, or AGM auto detect, whether we're using a different battery or not. Thermostat on the wall. Now we're going into our bathroom. Plenty of room in here. This one does come with a tub, which is a nice feature, with a fan over top. Mirror on the wall to say hello. Now we're going into this beautiful big 12-volt fridge with that universal entry, which is just fun to show people, but also so convenient. Microwave, hood and vent. Right here is our 2-burner stove. This runs off propane. Storage underneath. More storage underneath. And more storage underneath. This is underneath the sink. Some drawers. Heater blower underneath there. Large deep dish sink with some cabinets and shelves above. Now we're going into our controls, USB and 120. Right here is our AM FM radio, light switches, and our awning switch. Up here is going to be our levels, water pump, and water heater. This is the 19BH by Starcraft, the Autumn Ridge with the fiberglass exterior. All right, now I just want to show you how to work this dinette. We have a tabletop here that has to pop off. There's the table legs underneath. We get those out of the way. Shake them, pull them out, shake, pull it out. Store those wherever you want. Tabletop becomes the other portion of the bed. Right here, there are 4 brackets or supports for the tabletop. All right, now we take the backs to our cushions, pop these out. And there's our bed. I'm 6'2" as far as height goes. And I actually, so this is about a 6-foot bed. But still, even for me, I could easily sleep in this. All right, now let's flip this thing back into a regular dinette. Zippers down. This one actually has Velcro already on the backs, which is nice because that's not usually the case. Just be cautious, not careless. However you want to do it, either table legs in the ground or table legs in the table. I've found that it's easier for me to do in the table or in the ground. The rounded portion's always on the outside because that makes it easier for us to slide in to get in and out of it. There's a dinette in the 19BH. All right, we've reached the end of the video, and I greatly appreciate you all for watching.
If you like these kind of videos, you want to see some more, I have weekly uploads, and I would greatly appreciate you coming back. Hit that little subscribe button in the corner, hit that little notification bell, and just keep on coming back and watching me every week. Stick around and let me check you out. What's up, everybody? In this episode, I want to show you the brand new, damn, I don't like that one either. I have a lot more videos too, so also check out my previous history and just check any of these videos out. And I'll just keep on rambling because it's what I like to do.